F4, update installation error 0x800706F4. Measure 1. Restart your computer. Save all open work. Restart your Windows 11 PC. Open Settings, Windows Update. Click Check for Updates. Try installing the update again. Number 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open Settings. Go to System, Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters, find Windows Update, click Run, apply all recommended fixes, restart your PC. 3. Check available disk space. Open File Explorer, click this PC, verify free space on drive C, free up at least 20 gigabytes if needed, retry the update installation. 4. Restart Windows Update services. Press Windows R, type services.msc, press Enter. Restart these services. Windows Update, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, BITS, Cryptographic Services. Try updating Windows again. 5. Clear Windows Update cache. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run netstop uauserv, netstop bits. Open cease Windows software distribution. Delete all files and folders inside. Run netstart uauserv, netstart bits. Retry Windows Update. Number 6. Repair corrupted system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run SFC scanout. Wait for the scan to complete. Restart your computer. Check for updates again. 7. Repair Windows image. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run DSM Online's cleanup image. Restore health. Wait for the process to finish. Restart Windows. Try installing updates again. 8. Temporarily disable antivirus. Disable third-party antivirus software. Turn off real-time protection temporarily. Open Windows Update. Install the update, re-enable protection after installation. Number 9. Perform a clean boot. Press Windows R. Type msconfig. Open the Services tab. Check Hide all Microsoft services. Click Disable all. Restart the PC. Install the update. Re-enable services afterward. 10. Install the update manually. Open the Microsoft Update Catalog website. Search for the failed update KB number. Download the correct version for your system. Run the installer manually. Restart your PC after installation. If error 0x8006F4 still appears, open Command Prompt as administrator. Run chkdsk/F. Press Y when prompted. Restart your PC. Allow the disk scan to complete. Retry Windows Update. These solutions can fix Windows 11 update error code 0x800706F4 caused by corrupted update files, damaged system components, Windows Update service failures, disk errors, or software conflicts.